Hello and welcome to my channel. We all lead busy lives and want to make our beauty routines faster and more effective. Today, I'm going to share some time-saving, practical beauty tips with you. These tips will not only speed up your beauty routine but also help you look fantastic. Let's get started. Use multifunctional products. Shorten your morning routine with nighttime care. Quick fix for your hair with dry shampoo. Minimalist makeup routine. Plan ahead. Quick manicure. Practical skincare. Use multifunctional products. Using multifunctional products can save you time. For example, creams that combine both moisturizer and sunscreen, or products that can be used for both lips and cheeks. These types of products save time and free up space in your bag. Shorten your morning routine with nighttime care. Taking good care of your skin before bed can shorten your morning preparation time. By using nighttime creams, serums, and hair masks, you can look great with less time spent in the morning. Quick fix for your hair with dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is a perfect solution for quickly refreshing your hair and adding volume. When you don't have time to wash your hair, using dry shampoo can make your hair look great in just minutes. Minimalist makeup routine. You can save time with a minimalist makeup routine. Using fewer but effective products can help you achieve a natural and fresh look. For example, you can do a quick makeup with just BB cream, mascara, and lip balm. Plan ahead. Another way to speed up your beauty routine is to plan ahead. Deciding on hairstyles and makeup combinations in advance gives you a significant advantage when getting ready in the morning. Quick manicure. You don't always need to go to a salon to keep your hands looking nice. With a quick manicure, you can groom your nails in just minutes. Practical nail care and polish application tips can keep your nails looking great. Practical skincare. Simplifying your daily skincare can save you time. Cleansing wipes, multi-purpose skincare products, and weekly peels can speed up your skincare routine. Hey, I shared time-saving beauty tips with you. I hope these tips make your life easier and speed up your beauty routine. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also share your own quick beauty tips in the comments. See you in the next video.